Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the latest updates at Camp Nou, exploring every corner of this iconic stadium's transformation, from pitch-level views to the rising third tier. Get ready for a full tour of construction, from VIP rings to parking areas and beyond. From here we head down to pitch level. The grass is laid, and training mannequins are in place for free kick practice. The third tier is visible along the lateral side, progressing steadily, with walls and seating being installed at the Gol Sur section. Under the provisional press boxes, the written press and radio have their temporary setup. Once finished, these press boxes will move to the third tier. Currently, another piece of the third tier is being placed at Gol Norte. This is not a beam, it's part of the third tier seating. The panel placement by the crane for formwork is complete. This is the hottest construction area, with workers carefully lowering panels into place. In the diamond zone, ferraya reinforcement is underway. The ground is being leveled and prepared with materials like soil and gravel for utilities and access points. Ramps and new access pathways are being prepared for vehicles and construction machinery. Concrete pumps are active, pouring material into lateral access zones. Elephant trunk concrete pumps are performing precise placements. Prefabricated staircases are also being installed, ready for integration into lateral structures. The ceramic lamas are steadily being installed. Beige lamas dominate for now. Almost all lamas on the upper tier are in place. Future plans include deploying 20 specialized machines around the stadium to accelerate the lamination process, significantly speeding up installation and covering the stadium with color. Parking area construction is progressing. Access ramps are being leveled, with ground preparation and concrete pouring underway. This includes aligning New Jersey barriers and utility conduits. Platforms are being built to manage movement of construction materials efficiently. Workers remain active late into the evening, even as night falls. The final moments of work each day are long but productive, completing key sections before break periods. H-shaped beams are being raised, likely supporting third-tier expansion. Superstructure support beams are installed along lateral zones. Workers coordinate to ensure alignment with the overhang and VIP ring areas. Platforms and temporary scaffolds help with the installation of beams and super pillars. These elements are critical for stadium stability and upcoming compression ring work. In the future Barça Store zone, panels are being installed and adjusted. Excavators move soil for leveling and foundation work. Materials continue to be delivered to big ring zones via concrete pumps, supporting both exterior and interior construction needs. That's it for today's update, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes Camp Nou action.